Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Paysafecard. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in paysafecard.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Paysafecard. If you already have the account, simply log into your account. But if you want to sign up for Paysafecard, what you have to do is click on the sign up option. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this interface. Over here what you have to do is select the country of residence. Simply click on the field of country of residence. Now you'll be able to find the options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. After that, what you have to do is click on the more option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your login details. What you have to do is enter your email address and create a password for yourself. So click on the field of email address. Now enter your email address over here. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must be at least 8 characters. It must contain uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers or special characters, and you cannot use your email. So create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you're done, what you have to do is scroll down. Now simply click on the more option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is verify your email address. What you have to do is go to new tab. Click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Paysafecard will send you the email, so simply click on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the link. What you have to do is scroll down and click on this link that you can see right over here. Now you'll be redirected to this interface. You can see over here email address verification was successful. So simply close this page. Now go back to the page of Paysafecard registration. Now click on the more option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your personal information. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Similarly, enter the date of birth. First of all, enter the year. Now enter the month. Now enter the day. Now what you have to do is click on the more option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your address. What you have to do is enter the street, house number, postal code and city. Now after you provide all the information of your address, click on the more option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your phone number. Simply enter your phone number over here. The country code will be selected according to the country you select. So enter your phone number over here. Now after you enter the phone number, click on the more option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your phone number. What you have to do is enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone number. I provided the random phone number over here, so I'm not going to be entering the 6-digit code. But what you have to do is enter the 6-digit code over here. After that, your phone number will be verified and your account will be created. So that is how you sign up Paysafecard. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.